Claudia Schammel. Number 352, Natalie Mint. And number 243, Jonghyun Oh.
모두가 화이팅!
Alright, ladies, you know the drill. Find your spots on the floor for your showcase Cuban dance. I wish you good luck. Oh, wait. Alright. Good luck, ladies. Here is your music.
I'm gasping for air. You won't believe me. You just had to be there. I'm addicted to the fire. I can't let it go. Heaven help me, I'm so helpless. Think I'm losing my control. I'm so deep under the spell. I don't know how she do it. She do it in the dark. I think she put a hood on the heart. I can't even know that. She read me like a bone. She make me go crazy. She make me go crazy. Oh, she speaks like sweet tea. Her hips sweet like the wind through the trees. Her kisses like coffee flavored whiskey. I wanna take her in till I'm tipsy. She's making a fool out of me. Body woman, you got me. How did that move? If I don't see you soon, I'll be crawling to the moon like a voodoo. I can call and try to catch you, getting stuck in her losses on her. She put me in magic. I don't know how she do it. She do it in the dark. I think she put a hood on my heart. I never leave her alone, yeah. She leaving me like a bone, yeah. She make me go crazy. She make me go crazy. She make me go crazy. She make me go crazy.
Make some noise for these wonderful ladies and their showcase Cuban dance. All right, ladies, it looks like the judges are ready.